Someone's trying to make an escape here. Oh, oh, oh. Will he do it? Oh, he's doing it. There's too much excitement going on outside the basket. Oh, let's cushion your fall here if you're going to fall. Careful. Almost. There's number one. Is he stuck on something? No, he's just trying to get out. Pull this foot over. Oh. He's trying. How funny. Look at it. Darn it, I want to get out of this thing. He did it. That was cute. Kind of clumsy, but you did it. Yeah, he's just hanging out with Ellie doing it. There's Callie preening a baby. Aww. He's too irresistible. All these pin feathers on these babies. Huh, Callie? Yeah. Aw, she's so gentle. Oh, this guy's, I just wanted to sit on a nice soft blanket. He's been looking over the side of the basket. I guess he decided to make a break for it. Oh, good girl, Cat.
Really, don't
No, leave him. He's fine. Just let him sit there.
Let me hold him next.
Ellie, no.
She's so pretty.
Hey, careful for the edge, Elizabeth. Put him back.
I want to hold him.